My wife and I have been avid cyclists forever, but traveling with bikes has always been a pain. We often left our bikes at home because of the hassle and concerns of damage and security while on our bike rack. I was vaguely familiar with folding bikes. I was curious about the modern advancements. My concern was performance. With no experience, I had a misconception that folding bikes were unstable and toy-like. Then I got a chance to actually ride one. I instantly realized the right folding bike would be perfect for traveling. I just had to find a model that was better suited for back roads and trails rather than city commuting. After a good deal of research, I picked the Zizzo Forte. Why? First, it has 20-inch by 1.95-inch tires, and room for even wider ones if needed. This size offers good stability for trail riding while keeping the folding bike compact for travel. The Forte is the only heavy-duty folder rated to 300 pounds. We don't need the payload, but the heavy-duty construction is better suited for riding trails and back roads. The 7-speed gear selection offers a reasonable range for climbing and higher speeds. The seat and handlebars can be instantly adjusted for optimal comfort and performance. The Forte is easy to fold and very compact. A magnetic catch keeps the folded parts together and prevents them from banging into each other. The frame, hinges, and adjusters are solid and well finished. Our Fortes were delivered quickly and well packaged. They work perfectly right out of the box. The Forte is a really nice bike considering the cost. The frame is awesome. The cost is obviously kept low by using budget components. The brakes, derailleur, shifters, pedals all do their job just fine and are simple to upgrade at any time. I've ridden the Forte on many of the routes that I've done for years on my full-size mountain bike. The Forte's hardtail design can be adapted to rough conditions by simply lowering the tire pressure a few pounds. This design takes a little more effort and is not as fast, but the Forte is very stable and comfortable, and we don't ride for speed anyway. The Forte is actually better at maneuvering through tight turns and around obstacles than my standard mountain bike.
Not the best mountain bike in the world, doesn't have suspension. It doesn't have bigger wheels and tires on it. But one thing that's good about the little tires is they can maneuver between the rocks and the obstacles in the trail a lot better than bigger wheels.
The size and design makes it easier to carry. It's also much easier to get off and on, which is great for sightseeing and stopping to take photos, which we do a lot. The bikes are a perfect alternative to hiking or driving. We also consider them as backup transportation while spending time in remote areas. The Forte features full fenders, a rear rack, a 300-pound load rating, and still weighs less than 30 pounds. We found a heavyweight transport bag that fits the Forte perfectly. Any trail grime is contained in the bag. The convenience of these bikes is phenomenal. There's no need for a bike rack. They are easily transported in any small trailer or in a trunk, back seat, cargo area, or lashed on a roof rack. The bottom line is that these folding bikes are just great for traveling.